I forgot the name of the street, but it's the same street, and this one had 563, 58. In 1970, 4140, 1620. This adolescent stop at first. 3 person 250 kilograms. And in Soviet Union, this building wouldn't have an elevator, and same in Poland. Ground floor. And of course, there are many buildings without elevators in the Czech Republic with 4 floors, but still. But with 5 floors, I think almost all of them have elevators. The 70s buildings and 80s. Maintained by Vitahi Ostrava. These are maybe the only originators here. These two. Third floor. That's